My name is Apoorv Jain. I'm a final year undergraduate student studying at IIT Kharagpur.
Hi, my name is Niharika Kumar. I'm a fourth year undergraduate student of the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering.
My name is Abhishek Chandwani. I'm a final year dual degree student at IIT Kharagpur.
IIT Kharagpur is the oldest Indian institute of technology set up in 1951 at the historic Hinti Detention Camp. It covers an area of 2100 acres with 21 halls of residence, including 4 for girls. Facilities like 24/7 Wi-Fi connection throughout the campus makes the life of over 10,000 KGPians extremely convenient.
This is the main building of IIT Kharagpur. It houses all the departments, a number of lecture theatres and various laboratories. This is the place where students of IIT Kharagpur attend their various classes. That point is the Insti top of IIT Kharagpur.
We are now inside the central library of IIT Kharagpur. With more than 3.5 lakh books and 1500 journal subscriptions, this is one of Asia's largest libraries. If not for the books, you would definitely be tempted to visit this library for the centralized air conditioning.
The Vikramshila Lecture Hall is inside Ramanujan Complex, and this is where most of the lectures are held. The classes here are huge and use modern techniques to enhance learning. The newly constructed Nalanda Complex uses state-of-the-art infrastructure to make learning an enriching experience.
We are now in front of the J.C. Bose Laboratory Complex. This complex is equipped with the most modern facilities so that the students master practical content along with the courses taught in the classroom. There are electrical, electronics and physics laboratories inside this 4-storied complex.
KGP hosts one of the largest socio-cultural fests, Spring Fest.
Technology Student Gymkhana is the nerve center of the institute and is the hub for various student activities inside the campus. Elections are held every year for various executive positions of the Gymkhana, which inculcates the leadership and management skills among the students.
For the overall development of the students, IIT KGP also provides world-class sports facilities with badminton court, basketball court, squash court, Olympic-sized swimming pool, 2 gymnasiums, Gyan Ghosh Stadium, and a flood-lit Tata Sports Complex for cricket and football.
IIT Kharagpur provides the opportunities to pursue your dancing, dramatics and music talents. We have dedicated societies for this purpose. These societies are instrumental in grooming your personality and making you a complete individual. On the other hand, we have filmmaking societies that helps you pursue your talents. No wonder we have some students who pursue wildlife photography after graduation. This place, Tagore Open Air Theatre, has hosted a number of musical and dramatics performances and has given us lots of sweet memories.
Kshitij, Asia's largest techno management fest, witnesses international participation, and these fests promise you amazing memories which are cherished for a long time.
We are now at Tikka, a place that defines the life of all the KGPs. The chai-Maggi combination is an ideal snack time for the students and faculty alike. Apart from Tikka, we also have a CCD, a Domino's and Subway in the campus. So food is never going to be an issue.
Apart from the fest, KGP has a unique way of celebrating Diwali, which we call Illumination. Each hall of residence comes up with a unique theme which is portrayed on chatais with the help of diya to create a magnificent pattern.
To bring out the techie in you, IIT KGP has societies that make underwater vehicles, Formula race cars, self-driven cars and various kinds of robots. Such societies provide you an international platform to showcase and hone your technical skills.
With the highest placements across all IITs, IIT KGP not only provides an overall development but also a great career ahead.